Every race we watched, we imagined it was us. Standing on that podium, spraying the crowd with champagne. Sitting in one of those cars, navigating every curve, riding every bar on the track. We lived every moment.
Lauder and Hunt, Rost and Senna. That was us, in that basement. Then, years went by and things changed.
Climax. The final showdown between bitter rivals. This is what it all comes down to. One final race.
Dangerous? I don't know what that means. The only thing I know is every time I race, I push myself to the limit. And when I reach this limit, I push myself even harder.
Show me your soul, I gotta know. Bet that you're beautiful inside. Toes on the glass, car moving fast. Come take the wheel and drive. I don't know what you're thinking, sugar. Ooh, yeah. And I just got that feeling, sugar. Ooh, yeah. I can hear the sirens burning, red lights turning. I can't turn back now. So on time. Holding back the two of us. Baby, this is getting serious. Oh, 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 oh. The danger, dangerous. Oh, oh, oh. The danger, dangerous. Oh, yeah. Whoa, it's dangerous, so dangerous. I wanna do it again. Come on, baby, it's dangerous, so dangerous. I wanna do it again. It's dangerous, so dangerous. I wanna do it again.
Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax, take your time.